I'm sorry, listen. I paid for this.
I know. Your quarrels with Spirit.
I have a family member die today. I'm just so frustrated. I've been dealing with delays since Friday. I don't know. I give him an attitude and he canceled my flight.
Take a breath. Take a breath. Take a breath.
I just need to get home.
Ma'am, do not walk over there. Rachel, we're done. All right, you're not going to make things better. Come on up over here in front of the...
You're not flying tonight.
That's all you got to do.
You're not listening, bro.
On the evening of August 30th, 2023, at Orlando International Airport, Spirit Airlines denied boarding to a passenger at the counter. 4 minutes later, she faced 7 felony counts, not for anything she said, but for what she did next.
She does not have a flight tonight with Spirit, but she will be allowed to rebook. I don't know where this fellow went, but he's
right there at the counter.
Not allowed to fly with Spirit again.
Oh, he put on the no-fly list. So 2?
Yes.
We can talk to him. Is she done? Oh, I thought it was him. Both. Oh, both of them. Oh, okay. She's done too?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Too much to drink as well, or?
I didn't even get that far.
Is he flying? Is he flying?
Hello?
Is he flying?
I don't know. He's supposed to be able to fly.
No, we were told that somebody told. Correct.
Oh, I didn't know.
I would talk to somebody before you do anything with that, because.
No, she didn't tell me anything.
Okay, apparently he's boarding. Okay. Now I'm confused. Is that hers? Yes, I'm assuming so. Rachel, don't lose that.
I'm sorry, listen. I paid for this.
I know. Your quarrels with Spirit.
I have a family member die today. I'm just so frustrated. I've been dealing with delays since Friday.
Listen, hey.
I don't know. I give him an attitude and he canceled my flight.
Take a breath. Take a breath. Take a breath.
I just need to get home.
Okay, why are they, what are they?
I'm frustrated. I give him an attitude.
Okay.
I'm just, I don't know what else to say. I'm frustrated. I'm going to go home.
Excuse me, what's
It's supposed to be at 10:25, so he's delayed.
What about the tie-dye guy? He's on the no-fly list?
Yeah, he's on the...
Is she on the no-fly list?
No, she's leaving tomorrow.
Okay, got it. Come on out this way, boss. Come out this way. Really?
Yes, sir.
You've been put on the no-fly list, therefore you don't have a ticket and you can't fly with Spirit, so come out this way.
Okay, well then I will leave this airport and I'll fly with a different airline.
Awesome.
Thank you.
He's leaving. She's rebooked for tomorrow. They're not going to let you fly on this flight, is what they're telling you, correct?
Why though?
I don't know.
I can't leave tomorrow.
Well, you're not leaving with Spirit tonight. I don't know what else to tell you.
Why are you guys being so insensitive?
We're not being insensitive. We're just telling you what they're saying.
I'm sorry. I didn't even say nothing
It's not
to him.
between us.
Okay, but can you talk to him?
About what?
I don't know.
You don't know either. I cannot do anything if Spirit's not going to let you fly.
I think this guy just dipped into the bar. Is he gone? Is he not flying? No, they put him on the no-fly list.
Officer, I don't understand.
They rebooked you for tomorrow. What don't you understand about that? Okay, you are not flying today.
Why? I paid for this flight. How? I paid for the flight.
If you keep this up, you're not going to be flying out here tomorrow.
Ma'am, do not walk over there. Rachel, we're done. All right, you're not going to make things better. Come on up over here in front of the...
You're not flying tonight.
That's all you got to do.
You're not listening, bro.
But what's going to happen is if you keep this up, you're not going to fly out of here. What time is your flight tomorrow? I can check for it. Let me see your boarding pass or your passport.
Like, how do you have this job and you don't have customer service to be able to handle somebody who's frustrated? Like, I don't get it. I don't get it.
Rachel,
I don't get it,
listen
though.
to me. Scoot back. There you go. There we go.
When he Mama. Calm down. You're gonna make this work. Calm down. A couple more units in the cage car.
You good? Got some redness right here. She hit me in the head. Huh? She hit me. Are you good? Yeah. You good? You can't hit the police like that. Roll on her side. We're gonna sit you up.
Roll over your side.
We're gonna sit you up.
Just let me go. I got it.
Kick your legs out.
I got it.
I need you to kick your legs out.
Let me go.
We can't let you go now. Relax. Don't do that.
Is she ever gonna fly with Spirit again?
What happened to her passport? I have no clue. Oh, she's got it. Never mind. Just sit up. Just stay seated. Hey, did you get her hitting him? Did you get her hitting him? I'm just wondering.
Hey, let it be.
No, I was just wondering.
Let it be. You would just do their own thing.
Oh, that'd be cool. I'm just wondering. We're all recording. I was just asking. Stop. Relax. You're not making it any better.
Let me go.
Just sit up.
Relax.
As long as you're not flopping over. It's literally on her side. As long as she's on her side.
If you want to lay on your side, is that better for you?
We don't want you to asphyxiate yourself.
That's fine. She's fine.
I'm just being sure. Well, as long as she's crying. Did any of you guys get hit?
As soon as she was at, I stepped back.
Okay.
Do you have a car or no?
Rocky was coming.
Okay.
Rachel, are you injured? Okay, do you need a medical assistance at all? Okay, relax.
Give me to it.
There's no need to kick. There's no need to kick me.
Alright, just give me up.
Okay, now you want to sit up.
No.
We're just gonna leave you right there. We don't want you kicking anybody else.
You just caught another charge for that for no reason. Relax. I'm not letting you go. You're going
All
to
you
jail.
gotta do is relax. Stop resisting. Stop.
So get off of me. You're not on me. You're not on me. Get the f off of me.
Listen to me. If you kick somebody again, you will be sprayed. I will spray you. You understand?
Get out the f off of me.
No, ma'am. You already kicked.
You guys
You already
are
battered.
Where the f am I gonna go? Where am I gonna go?
You already kicked me.
Okay,
I
so
need you
where
to
am I
relax.
gonna go? You f scared? Move.
Relax.
Better be.
Okay,
Stay
so
down here.
off
Stay
of
down
me.
here.
That's all you gotta do.
Where am I gonna go? Okay. So where am I gonna go? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get the f away from me. Move. So move.
You're being combative. This is what we're doing until we get a car
I
here.
literally told you guys my situation, and all you motherfuckers are insensitive as because a motherfucker here doesn't know how to do customer service. The same shit I do in Miami. Get the off of me.
Nope.
All you do is wear a suit, and you think you're good at it. While I'm here on the ground just trying to make it home because my family died, and it's such a big deal to you guys, and you're hurting me.
Okay.
You think it's funny?
You're hurting yourself. I'm not putting any pressure on you.
Where am I gonna go with
not
handcuffs?
working.
Damn, all these motherfuckers are laughing because you guys are gonna get kicked out of it.
Then we have to get a wheelchair and everything because we ain't gonna.
Yeah.
You can't breathe. Get the f off of me! I can't breathe. Just get off of me.
Stop.
Just get off of
Stop.
me.
Stop.
Just get off of me. Get off of me.
Stop.
Just get off of
Stop.
me. What
What's
the
up, bro?
f you get off
Stop.
of me?
Stop.
Kicking.
Okay, so get
Stop
off of me.
kicking. I will
So
spray
get
you.
off of me. So what if
Stop.
you spray me? I can't
Stop.
move. I can't move.
Sit over.
Yeah, he's like 8.
There you go.
You got a rip hobble on you? Never mind. That's the thing that I'll explain later.
We're not going in. What?
Rachel.
The airline's authority to refuse boarding comes from Title 49 of the United States Code, Section 44902, subsection B. This doctrine is called permissive refusal. A carrier may refuse any passenger it decides is or might be inimical to safety. Critically, this is not the federal TSA no-fly list. An airline's internal ban is a private commercial decision, not a government designation. Courts review it under the arbitrary and capricious standard from Cordero versus CIA Mexicana de Aviación. a highly deferential test. Once officers arrived, the legal frame shifted entirely from commercial refusal to criminal statute enforcement. Verbal criticism of officers, including profanity and insult, remains protected speech under the First Amendment. But striking equipment and striking officers is conduct, not speech. And conduct is where felony liability begins. Under Florida Statute 784.07, subsection 2b, battery on a law enforcement officer is a third-degree felony. The intent element requires only intentional unwanted touching, not intent to injure, and not any specific mental state beyond volition. Under Florida charging practice, each discrete strike constitutes a separate count. 3 strikes, 3 felony counts. Under Florida Statute 843.01, resisting an officer with violence is a separate third-degree felony carrying up to 5 years. The officer's use of force is judged under Graham v. Connor, the 1989 Supreme Court reasonableness standard. Reasonableness is measured from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. That standard matters here because officers escalated only after the subject initiated physical contact, never before. Only soft, empty-hand control was used. No strikes were delivered, no pepper spray deployed, and no less lethal tools drawn. Recovery position on the side with explicit verbalization about preventing asphyxia, tracking post-2020 restraint reforms directly. The subject's grief is legally cognizable, but only at sentencing, never as a defense to the intent element of battery.
We're going to get you up and walk and put you in this chair.
Okay, just get my stuff.
You are not going to kick anybody. I will spray you if you do. If you
spray me if you want. Just get my stuff. Just get my stuff.
We're going to get you over here into this chair.
Spray me if you want.
Okay?
Just get my stuff.
I need you to stand up.
Okay, look, my stuff is right there.
Okay,
sit up. Sit up.
Roll over to your side.
Roll over. Come on.
Roll over to your side.
Roll over. Come on. Roll over. Let's go.
No, sit up. Roll to your right. Roll to your right. Roll to your right.
Pull her right.
We don't roll to your right.
Pull that one forward this way.
Pull that right leg. Roll to your right, please.
That way.
There you go. You're going to tuck that leg and you're going to get up on 3.
All right, ready?
Okay?
1, 2, 3.
There you go. All right, have a seat in the chair, please. Stop.
Okay, but let me go. What
Stop.
the f*** hold me like that for?
Stop.
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 Okay, so
You're
let
not
me
making
go.
it any better.
Just let me
Make it-
go.
you
Okay,
sit
you
down
don't
in the
have
chair.
to
Sit
hold me like that.
Sit down in the chair.
Okay, let me go. Just grab my
We
stuff.
don't want, we'll grab your stuff. Sit down.
Guys,
Put your feet
shit.
down.
I'll take off
Your feet down.
Okay, let me go. You're hurting my wrist. Let me
Stop. You're acting like a child right now. Let's
I
go.
don't care. Just let me go. You guys.
We're taking you right now.
So let me go. You have to grab me with a chair. Oh my God, bro. You guys. Went to academy to hold somebody, bro. So. You guys suck. You just let me go. You're hurting my wrist. Just let me go. I can't go nowhere. Just let me go. You're hurting my wrist. Just let me go. I couldn't just say no more. Let me go. You f***ing laughing?
Actually sneeze. Stop.
Okay, you actually sneeze just now, bro. Let me accommodate myself, bro. Now I'm about to f***ing take y'all job too f***ing serious, dog. Let me go. You're already holding the f***ing chair.
Stop.
You're hurting my wrist, bro. You
That's the
can't
handcuffs
care
hurting your wrist.
Okay, so I'm asking you to let me go.
Stop.
Where am I gonna go? Where am I gonna go?
Stop. Stay seated.
Stay seated, please. If you don't calm down,
Okay, it just hurts so
you won't have to hold on
bad.
to
I don't have that on now.
you. There's the outside there.
God, there's no way I can go.
It's not going to happen.
Let's go.
All right, got it. Hit that other door. There you go. This is what's going to happen. You're going to stand up and you're going to sit backwards into there. You're not going to kick anybody. You understand? Okay. Hold on. Wait. Okay. Go ahead and stand up. Go ahead and stand up. All right, cool. Turn around. Turn around. Hey, who searched her? She hasn't been... Stand up. Lean against the car. Spread your feet.
You have anything else on you, Rachel, besides your phone? I know.
I didn't do shit wrong. I'm sorry.
Turn around. You're gonna sit butt first.
Okay, just be gentle.
I am being gentle. I am being gentle.
They take 3 people for it.
Sit in the car. Sit in the car.
Sit back. Back up. Back steps. Back steps. Back steps. Butt on the seat. Now scoot all the way in. Rotate your legs in. Scoot all the way in.
Orlando PD earns an A- for consistent de-escalation, minimum force posture, and recovery position discipline throughout the restraint. The subject earns a D. Grief secured adjudication withheld, a plea accepted without conviction. But 3 felony charges remain. Spirit Airlines earns a C+. Lawful authority to refuse but no visible frontline de-escalation before summoning police. 2 lessons stand out. First, an airline's ban is a private decision. The moment you argue past it, you are on criminal turf. Second, grief explains behavior but never excuses it. Every state treats it as sentencing mitigation, not as a defense to intent. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.